Hey there, thanks for checking out this website. If you're on this page, you're probably one of the agents that are looking to get more out of your business, grow it, maybe take it to the next level. So what I'm offering you is our free business growth session with me where we can jump on the Zoom call or Google Hangouts or just an old-fashioned phone and really learn about your business, the challenges that you're facing in your business right now, the opportunities that you may not taking advantage of, and where you see your business going in the next 12 to 24 months. The topics of conversation can be anywhere from lead generation best practices, lead conversion, systems, marketing, team building, and more. The goal is really for us to map out the vision and the action plan for not only the next 90 days, but for the next 12 to 24 months. Really, that's really the plan, guys. And what we're going to map out, what we're going to sit down is really we're going to talk about what you have to do on a daily basis, your daily activities, your weekly commitments, your 30-day goals, and then your 90-day targets. Some agents ask me, why am I doing this? I'll be honest with you for two reasons. Number one, I'm hoping that you're going to see the value in my coaching and my mentorship and information that I'm providing to you guys and join my brokerage. And number two, if something changes in your plans in the future as far as your brokerage goes, hopefully we're going to be your next destination. So I really encourage you guys to take advantage of this offer. It's a complimentary. Press on a button below or click on it, and I will be in touch with you very shortly. Looking forward to talking to you, and thanks so much. Bye.